Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bilkish and I wish you all an amazing day ahead. Long time no see. So, sort of a lot has changed in my life recently. I have been very busy both ways creating content. I have started this new page called Balance with Bobby where I'm actually sharing a lot about my life, how I generally balance it out, be it inside out, all right, and also share bits and pieces of my life, things I eat to maintain my body, all of that, and how I generally be happy while living alone. So, part of that. So, my morning generally starts with this turmeric drink, usually every day, and then I follow up with this breakfast. And it was a weekend as far as I can remember. So, in today's vlog, I'm generally sharing whatever has been happening since past 3 weeks since I have been absent from the platform. So, I'm just updating you on that. So, my life is generally the same, nothing has changed except I have been a little more busy than usual. Hence, I wasn't really able to post as frequently as possible. I have been going out, I have been busy with friends, partner, and all of that. So, फटाफट से सुबह उठ के अपना जो मॉर्निंग रिचुअल है वो करके मैं थोड़ा काम काम की उसके बाद I got ready because I really wanted to wear this quad set out. My only sole reason to go out today on a date with my partner was because I really wanted to wear my quad set from West Side. And yeah, that's the only reason. And also, I had to spend some time with him. We have spent really a good time here. हम लोग ना थोड़ा झगड़े भी किए थे to be honest. Over silly things. It's मतलब कैसे बोलूँ? Things are like really great. Like we have been together for a very long time, and I still feel as if it's just as new, you know. और झगड़ा भी अभी जो यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे it was so silly and funny at the same time that we laughed it off. It's chaotic and it's as typically like that, yeah. तो कभी कभी हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं लाइक यूजुअली वी डोंट गो आउट मच, वी आर बोथ लाइक अ गुड होम बॉडी पर्सन वी बट कितना ही तुम घर पे रहोगे, तो कभी कभी मन होता है बाहर जाने के लिए आफ्टर लाइक अ हेक्टिक वीक ऑफ वर्क यू फील लाइक गोइंग आउट, सो वी डू दैट. And these days we're doing that a lot, like every week we need to go out for our mental sanity because it's too much of work, this and that. फिर some day later I gave my attempt to this caramel custard because I love myself a good caramel custard which is cold and jiggly. So I thought of making it on my own because जब भी रेस्टोरेंट में ट्राई करते हैं तो उतना मुझे ना वो सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलता है, just the way I had it in one of my friend's house. So I thought of making it, and trust me, it turned out so good that you will already understand in the reaction. You see? Later that week, one of my friend Ria visited city after a very long time. She always visits the city once a year, but we were meeting after like 3 years since she got married. मैं उसके शादी तक भी नहीं जा पाई थी. Now that we're meeting, oh my god, I can't even believe that our friendship took us this far. But she's a mother now and she has a little son and I'm a masi. I can't even believe it and I'm so happy. He's such a good boy already. Like oh my god, मतलब वो ना अभी से ही उसका अंदर इतना अच्छा हैबिट्स इनबिल्ड किया है that I'm so glad. Like he's such a good boy. So after meeting Ria, I came back home and Akansha आने वाली थी तो वो आई, and then we had a good bowl of chili garlic noodles followed by some heavy rain. The very next morning, we didn't record much because I really wanted to spend some quality time with Akansha and also with my dog Millie because I have been really busy through the week. We hardly got time with each other, so I really wanted to just record this much moments and spend most of the time with each other off the camera. And मुझे पता है like these days I'm not really recording much and I am really away from social media a little, at least from Instagram. It's because मैं active हूँ shorts words में पर उतना भी active नहीं हूँ ऐसा. एंड आई नो लाइक अगर कंटेंट क्रिएशन मेरे लिए वैसा नहीं है बट आई लव रिकॉर्डिंग. तो मैं जब भी मौका मिलता है मैं रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ एंड आई शेयर बिट्स एंड पीसेस ऑफ माई लाइफ. आई लाइक डूइंग दैट विदाउट एनी एक्सपेक्टेशन. बट ऑफ कोर्स आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक you guys to hit that subscribe button and stay with me with the journey. I really love sharing my life a little bit and that way we can be digital friends. I just woke up thinking that I'll surprise Akansha because Akansha will be leaving for her hometown after spending so many years together here. We literally grew up together. देखा जाए तो कॉलेज लाइफ से अभी तक हम लोग काफ़ी बार साथ में ही रहे हैं. Not in the same flat but almost close to each other. So whenever we needed each other, I was there for her, she was there for me. ऐसा. The point here is now she will be leaving for her hometown. And very soon enough, in say 3 to 4 days. दुखी तो मैं हूँ काफ़ी but मैं काफ़ी खुश भी हूँ in the sense that this is her going to take first step towards something even better. Like everybody wants to grow financially, family wise. So this is like her first step and I'm nothing much more than being happier. Sad हूँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा just to इसको overshadow करने के लिए थोड़ा कुछ मीठा बनाता है. और मीठे में होगा आज तिरामिसू और मीठे में होगा आज तिरामिसू. सॉरी फॉर दैट नॉइज़. मैं हूँ ही अभी ऐसी जगह में ना कि काफ़ी ऐसे आवाज़ होते रहते हैं. सो बेयर विथ मी. सो या दैट्स द कॉन्टेक्स्ट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई एम गोना मेक सम तिरामिसू फॉर माय फ्रेंड आकांक्षा एंड वो चली जाएगी. उसके जाने के बाद ही मैं रोऊंगी टू बी ऑनेस्ट. उससे आगे मुझे नहीं रोना है उसके सामने. And yeah, I want to just say her bye, not goodbye. We're gonna meet again in every few months. तो अच्छे से वो पहुँच जाए उधर. That's the main thing. And yeah, हर एक चीज़. Just because she is leaving, she had all the right to dump all her plants here in my flat. मतलब उसके flat में काफ़ी सारे plants थे. And now my flat looks like a mini jungle. If you want me to show you, anyway I'll show you. Let me show you. The window. That's I just had this plant and that one और एक था इधर monstera को मैं बाहर कर दी and the rest this two वही दिए. In the balcony is this one a huge monstera, this cuttings of money plant, ये भी very little one but very cute. Not to forget there's another one here in my room here. Yup, this is kind of a storeroom. Yeah, I have a lot of work things here. And she also got me Mother Mary and then it's so nice. अच्छा एक corner बन गया है. But I'll be missing her and I'll be taking a lot of care for her plants. जब बोलो काफ़ी दुख तो है. But अभी तिरामिसू बनाते हैं. Let me show you. तिरामिसू for the base I have some टोस्टीज. ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको, ब्रिटानिया टोस्ट बिस्किट. आई हैव लेट्स मिल्क, फ्रेश क्रीम, cream cheese, some condensed milk and to add some more sweetener. Base of the sweetener would be this date syrup from Urban Plateau and to make it more milky and all that मैं मिल्क में डालूँगी and कॉफ़ी है और पनीर भी मैं डालूँगी for that extra thickness you know. So yeah, that's the ingredient list. Little hen that has only one egg. Kitchen ना काफ़ी better लग रहा है. I covered that area. It's looking much better. वो मेरा जो ओनर है वो नहीं की थी तो I had to somehow cover it. It was just affecting me. ये इतना cluttered था ना, अजीब लगता था. I think now the kitchen looks very cute. है ना? Okay, so now let's get to the making of the tiramisu. The first thing that we need is a blender where we can add all the ingredients and whip it up. Okay, I have added some paneer here and also added 2 scoops of cream cheese. See, with the measurements, I'm just simply winging it because मैं ना वैसे measure नहीं करती generally. I'm good with it. तो यहाँ पे मैं measure नहीं कर रही हूँ. Just the context is that the base of the tiramisu shouldn't be that thick. Spatula में लगे रहे ऐसे टाइप का. ये जो मैं मिल्क बार बार यूज़ कर रही हूँ ना, इसकी वजह से मेरा ये मिक्सचर थोड़ा सा रनी हो गया है. बट इवन दो इफ़ योर मिक्सचर इज़ लाइक अ लिटिल रनी, doesn't matter because when you set put this in the fridge to set, eventually it becomes a little thicker, so it's anyway adjust हो जाता है and edible. So yeah, तो मैं क्या की, पहले पनीर, क्रीम चीज़, दूध, and then I have added some date syrup and then I've added this vanilla essence. उसके बाद मैं condensed milk डालूँगी. You guys can really avoid condensed milk or just simply put it, and because I'm trying to make it a little healthier also, hence I adjusted the sweetener by adding both the date syrup and condensed milk. Up to you really. After adding all those ingredients, it's time to blend. अब इसको अच्छे से blend करना है so that it's all smooth and silky, so that when you put your finger and see, it has to be smooth enough. तो अभी इसको अच्छे से मैं blend करूँगी and उसके बाद it would be ready, and the only thing that we need to do is dip our biscuits, I mean toasts, in some coffee and then assemble in a good container. That's it. फिर उसको फ्रीज कर दो. रेडी हो गया है, अब असेंबल करते हैं. मेरा थोड़ा गर्म पानी है. अभी बस सिंपल कॉफ़ी बनाना है, इंस्टेंट कॉफ़ी से ही हो जाएगा. और वॉट एवर कॉफ़ी दैट यू प्रिफर, just add some hot water in the coffee and some dead syrup for the sweetener. ज़्यादा कड़वा भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, थोड़ा सा sweetness it's fine, but yeah, उसमें अच्छा balance आ जाता है. So I'm just simply adding this date syrup. It goes really well, the flavor. I like it and I hope she likes it too. तो इसको अच्छे से mix करना है and then we can dip our toasts, biscuits, whatever that you like. Plastic option ही नहीं है. Now we are going to basically after like assembling your toasts and the cream base, all we need to do is spread some cocoa powder, whatever that you like. You can also add some chocolate syrup, whatever is up to your preference. Mostly they put coffee powder and a mix of cocoa powder together for that texture and look. It hardly took some time, but let me show you the aftermath. Are you ready? Aftermath. अब इसको बनाए धुलाई. बन गया हमारा tiramisu. अब इसको करेंगे कवर और रेफ्रिजरेट करेंगे. अब now I'll see you guys after Akansha is back from work and I'm done with my work. फिर टेस्ट टेस्टिंग करने के टाइम आपसे फिर मिलेंगे. मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा है because I don't like so much स्ट्रॉन्ग स्वीटनेस मुझे पसंद नहीं है, तो मैं मेरे टेस्ट बड के हिसाब से तो बनाई हूँ, अब पता नहीं कैसे बनेगा, लेट्स सी। अब इसको रख देते हैं। Okay, so at this point of time, we were really drunk and I was just simply trying to scare her, but ये ऐसा कॉमेडी बन गया है। ऑल्सो मजाक में मैं रिकॉर्ड करना ही भूल गई उसका रिएक्शन, बट शी रियली लाफ्ड with tiramisu and I'm glad. The weekend is over, so next morning Monday को मैंने ऐसा ही the usual routine. It was raining a little bit. I had my ACV juice up early in the morning. Then I prepared for my breakfast after I freshened up, and then had some another cup of coffee while I was working, and then another cup of coffee. So basically, when the new week kicks in, I get really stressed and I heavily depend on the coffee, which is like really bad for me, but I'm trying to cut down coffee as much as I can. But the more I'm trying, the more I'm getting addicted to it. Oh my god, I really need to fix this part. So basically this is what my week actually looks like: eat, repeat, workout, work, back to bed, repeat. So skipping to Sunday, I got ready to go out for a new cafe date with Akansha, and there was another friend who was about to join, but then she couldn't. So somehow we made to the cafe. It was an amazing day that day, because क्या सुनहरा मौसम था, and this was the newly opened cafe in the city. The ambience is amazing, the area is amazing. Even the food is pretty much okayish. I love their burger, but that is it. हम लोग काफ़ी अच्छे टाइम स्पेंड किए हैं। मैंने बातों में कब दिन से शाम हो गया पता ही नहीं चला, एंड लकीली वी वर द ओनली पीपल देयर। हम लोग आई थिंक अराउंड 3:34 हम लोग उधर पहुँचे थे, एंड गुड डिसीजन, कोई नहीं था, वेदर अच्छा था, काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस लिए, पिक्चर्स लिए, अब बहुत सारे बातें किए, बिकॉज यू नो दिस मोमेंट्स आर रियली स्पेशल, बिकॉज आकांक्षा जाने वाली है, तो मुझे जितना कुछ उसके साथ जितना टाइम मिल रहा है मैं तो ज़रूर स्पेंड करूँगी। एंड जब भी हम लोग जाते हैं, आकांक्षा रिमाइंड्स मी ऑल द टाइम लाइक, आर यू फॉरगेटिंग दैट यू पोस्ट ऑन यूट्यूब ऑल्सो, यू नीड टू रिकॉर्ड, गिव मी योर फ़ोन, ऐसे करके मेरा फ़ोन ले लेती है एंड रिकॉर्ड करती है। तो ये उसका सपोर्ट काफ़ी है। ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कुछ एक्सपेक्ट ऐसा कुछ करती हूँ, शी नोज़ दैट आई रियली लव रिकॉर्डिंग, एंड यू नो कुछ साल बाद जब मैं ये यूट्यूब फिर से देखूँगी, आई विल नो ना कि मैं कब पोस्ट की थी, कौन से साल में। सो देन व्हेन आई विल गो बैक टू दिस वीडियोज़, दिस विल बी समथिंग टू चेरिश, है ना। तो इसी वजह से मैं ना ये वीडियोज़ क्रिएट करना पसंद करती हूँ। Weekend was amazing, and skipping to Monday again, like I said, my usually Monday to Friday looks pretty much the same, nothing extra, workout, eat, food, repeat, all of that. But this time I took some days off, and because I really wanted to rest, so we thought of getting all our dogs at home, because उनका grooming भी करना था, तो मैं सोची उनको एक बारी में लेके आ जाते हैं, तो एक दिन वो लोग मेरे साथ रह भी जाएंगे, एंड देन नेक्स्ट डे ग्रूमिंग होके दे विल ऑल गो बैक। दैट्स द सिचुएशन। एंड डॉग्स का सिर्फ ग्रूमिंग नहीं हुआ, I had to give a haircut to my partner as well. He doesn't trust anybody except from me, which is like a great thing, and I give him a really nice one. So even in the middle of a week, we keep taking little breaks whenever we need, like going on a small lunch date or taking a quick coffee break in the middle of the chaos, and that's what we love. Plus मैं ना पसंद करती हूँ, like it really hypes you up in a certain way, keeps you from
Same.
the, monotonous routine that you generally have. So it's a nice way to just bring some changes to your daily routine, I guess. So that is it. I think I gave you guys a little good insight of how my life generally looks like. Very basic and fun in my way. So if you guys really like the video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and follow me on Instagram in the name Balance with Bobby. I will have fun stuff to watch. Thank you. Bye bye.